Musculoskeletal complications. Following spinal cord injury, the lack of movement and weight-bearing activity, coupled with compromised muscle health, leads to a range of musculoskeletal problems which contributes to impaired functional independence. These are as follows. Spasticity. Spasticity refers to abnormal muscle stiffness and increased muscle tone, often seen after spinal cord injury due to neurological dysfunction. This condition can cause painful muscle spasms, joint immobility, and functional limitations, particularly affecting the lower limbs. In some cases, spasticity may aid in transfers, ambulation, and daily activities. Spasticity may be exaggerated in uncomfortable situations such as injury, presence of stones, depression. Spasticity can also contribute to the development of contractures interfering with mobility and transfers. Joint contractures and deformities. Contractures and deformities can occur when muscles and tendons tighten due to the lack of normal range of motion. The inability to move joints properly, often due to paralysis or spasticity, are usually the causes, limiting the ability to perform daily activities such as transfers or dressing, and may require physical therapy or surgical intervention to improve mobility. Heterotopic ossification or HO. HO involves abnormal growth of bone in muscles and tendons, typically around joints, and is most commonly seen in the hips, knees, and shoulders, causing pain and restriction in joint range and increased risk of joint deformities. HO is often associated with spasticity and can be triggered by aggressive passive movements, repeated trauma, or use of certain medications. Early signs are limited range in joints due to pain, with swelling, warmth, redness, increase in spasticity, leading to contractures, impaired mobility, and difficulty with routine daily activities. To treat an HO, medications and surgical excision are only considered when HO is mature and the goal of removal is to improve positioning and transfers. Muscle atrophy. Muscle atrophy, or the loss of muscle mass and strength, is a direct consequence of the inability to use muscles below the level of injury. Unused muscles lose protein faster than it can be replaced. Loss of nerve supply leads to destruction of muscle fibers, resulting in gradual weakening and loss of muscle bulk. It can lead to decreased functional ability, diminished endurance, and difficulties in performing tasks such as pushing a wheelchair or transferring. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is softening of bones due to the lack of weight-bearing activity, becoming more prone to fractures. It is common in the lower limbs and spine after spinal injuries. These fractures can result from minor trauma or even from simple movements, leading to complications like pain, disability, and delayed healing. Management and prevention. Ongoing attention is required to prevent and manage musculoskeletal complications. Early intervention and rehabilitation, with individualized care plans, are critical. Regular physical therapy, passive range of motion exercises, and the use of splints can help prevent or manage joint contractures and muscle atrophy. Weight-bearing exercises and medications may help mitigate the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Management of spasticity may involve physical therapy, medications, and in some cases, surgical interventions to address severe spasticity. For those with abnormal bone growth, early detection and management with medications, physical therapy, or surgery can help improve joint function. HO can be prevented by avoiding aggressive passive exercises,